128 gig G70 taking game to the next level. This is the Infinix Hot 10 unboxing and review. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to unbox and review ang panibagong entry-level budget smartphone ng Infinix, and this is the Infinix Hot 10. So without further ado, let us start the unboxing and review. So this is the box po ng ating bagong Infinix Hot 10 with 128 gig of internal storage with MediaTek Helio G70 gaming processor, and this is available in Shopee Philippines for about 6,990 pesos. So inside the box, makikita po natin ang ating unit itself, and this is the Infinix Hot 10 Moonlight Jade color. So ito po ang itsura ng kanyang likod. So as you can see, very colorful and minimalist po ang ating Infinix Hot 10 Moonlight Jade color. So for me, very good and very nice ang color na ito. Po kasama ang ating Infinix Hot 10 na PUBG Mobile coupon code. Next we have is the Infinix service card. Nandito din po ang ating pin ejector, ang ating pong free jelly case, free screen protector, X-Club registration brochure, at ang ating warranty card. And finally, ang ating pong 10 watts power brick, micro USB to USB Type A, at ang ating pong 3.5mm headset. So this is the display of the Infinix Hot 10 with 6.78 HD+, 720p display with dot drop display and 8 megapixel selfie camera with dual front flash. And as you can see, tinurn on ko po ang dual flash para makita po ninyo. Sa bottom part po ng ating Infinix Hot 10, makikita po natin ang kanyang speakers, micro USB port, microphone at 3.5mm audio port. Sa left side naman po, makikita po natin ang kanyang SIM and card slot, and it supports dual nano SIM card and micro SD card. Sa right side naman po, makikita po natin ang kanyang power button at ang kanyang volume rockers. Sa top part naman po ng ating Infinix Hot 10, wala po tayong makikita na kahit ano. Sa atin naman pong back part, makikita po natin ang kanyang 16 megapixel quad camera setup na mayroong quad flash at ang ating fingerprint scanner. So out of the box po, nag-install lang po ako ng 6 na applications na gagamitin ko para sa aking unboxing and review. And as you can see, meron pa po tayong natitirang 111 gig out of 128 gig of internal storage. So madami-dami pa po yun, marami pa po tayong mailalagay na mga files. So this Infinix Hot 10 runs on XOS version 7.0.0 launcher under the Android 10 version. The notification panel, meron po siyang mga special features like ultra power, dark theme, screenshot, game mode, do not disturb, WhatsApp mode, eye care, one hand, screen recorder, data saver, bike mode, power boost, at focus mode. Mayroon din po tayong special features kagaya ng smart panel, action and gesture kagaya ng tap to wake, music gesture, flip to mute, taking screenshot gamit tatlong fingers, raise to ear, smart screen on, at ang ating pong answer calls with a gesture. For the security naman po, so this smartphone has fingerprint, face unlock, and screen lock, and makikita natin sa screen lock na meron tayong swipe, pattern, pin, and password. For the fingerprint naman po and biometrics, so ipapakita ko po ang ating fingerprint scanner after this clip. So for me po, the fingerprint is fast and accurate naman. So okay naman siya for me. Ngayon naman po ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang kanyang face unlock features. Para naman po sa ating battery and draining test, so ang ating Infinix Hot 10 ay may 5,200 mAh of battery, and for the charging speed, it took me almost or minsan ay sobra po sa 3 hours, and it can last me with 1.5 day or 2 full days. So, syempre, depende pa rin po yan sa paggamit natin. Now, for the Antutu and benchmark scores, makikita po natin sa ating screen ang Infinix Hot 10 with MediaTek Helio G70 processor ay nagkaroon ng 189,381 scores ang Antutu benchmark. And para naman po sa kanyang Geekbench score, so meron po tayong 375 single score at multi-core na 1,277 score. So para naman po sa ating speaker test, ipaparinig ko po yan sa inyo after this clip. Now for the cameras and features, meron po tayong AI cam, beauty mode, bokeh mode, super night mode. Meron din po tayong video at short video. So sa video, it can shoot up to 2K, 1080p, and 720p. Para naman po sa kanyang selfie camera, meron po tayong 8 megapixel front camera. Ang atin din pong front camera ay mayroong beauty, portrait mode, and AR shot. Meron din po tayong dedicated na game mode. We also tested po yung ating Infinix Hot 10 sa mga games, offline and online, and as you can see, kaya niya po ang high settings ng Mobile Legends and Asphalt 9. So wala naman ako naging problem doon sa mga larong online na yon, and very smooth po siya sa mga laro offline. So for me, okay na okay po ang performance ng ating Infinix Hot 10. And that's it for our unboxing and review ng ating bagong Infinix Hot 10. So for me, for a price of 6,990, so for me, sulit na siya with a MediaTek Helio G70 processor. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching.